U lampang ke yeng ba tho an u Thomas A Sangma mentak singi u lapalong ya ke jingalang jong ka high power committee manikran halor ke jing ya cha cha ke jingsna ya ke yeng ba tho an kam pathamai hamau diang hakani ke jingalang nolor u lampang laidon ru usembut menteri rangba uba pestun tensong lembat ki officer ki badai kmi bat ki wei u lampang lapan pau bakani ka de jenglang ka ba ar halor ka jingsna ya ka yeng dar ba tho an ka baning kong lapan dep hau banai nai we u la ongru akamen bapan pau baka jinglang kalong ka ba seiso bat ngi juyo I habadon kum kini ki jinglang ka jingtre ya ka kam ka jiyat stet bat ngi la pen bet ya ka ni ka badon kam ban le ha ka por dangsna hakani jinglang la yo ban shimrai maka thong man pendep yakani ka jing thon ba than ka dei ban long hau banai jilio aja apan rio hadin barala ban pendep onla ban pelong no yaka assembly session hakani ka building thamai house number 1 ka jingsna yaka yeng dar ba than ka ba thamai hamau deng lasdang na du snem arajar khat khandai.
Today we had the second monthly review meeting to review the ongoing construction of a new Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building at Mawdyangdyang. And this is the second monthly review meeting that had taken place. Last time it was done during the month of November. And I'm happy to also share that the meeting was very productive, and we have seen that after having this kind of review meetings, the progress of work can also be seen and recorded accordingly, and what needs to be done during the course of this construction, the ongoing construction. So we have come to a few decisions, like the timeline to complete the main hall of the assembly still remains by June 2026. After the building is complete by June 2026, I can safely say that assembly sessions can be immediately held in the new premises, the new building.
2026.
Yes, I have made a program to go to the site on 11th of this month, that is day after tomorrow.